Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore photos from your iCloud on your iPhone in two different ways. The first method I'm going to show you is how to restore all photos from your iCloud to your iPhone. And the second method is picking specific one instead of all of the photos on your iCloud. So first method, really simple. If you're going to do it for all photos on your iCloud, you're going to start by going to your setting and then tap on your Apple ID. And from your Apple ID, you're going to click on iCloud. And from the iCloud option here, we're going to click on Photos. And from Photos, we simply want to turn on Sync this iPhone. And then it's going to start to sync basically the photos that are iCloud onto your device as well. And then the same thing, save the ones from your phone to iCloud as well. Basically, keep them in sync. Now, depending on how many photos and videos you have on your iCloud, it may take some time for the syncing to happen. So you're just going to have to wait and then check the Photos app as it is refreshing the photos. As you can see here, these iCloud ones are being downloaded. Now, another way to do it, as I mentioned, let's say you didn't want all of them. So we're going to turn off all of them. We're going to do specific photos that you want to basically restore. In that scenario, what you need to do is go over to a browser, for example, Safari, and then you're going to go to iCloud.com. You're going to go to iCloud.com and then sign into your iCloud account, basically your Apple account. And from here on, we're going to go ahead and tap over here or down here to Photos to get to the Photos section for our iCloud photos. And it's going to show me basically all the photos and videos on my iCloud here. And if I wanted to download and restore a specific one, I would go ahead and select the ones. You can select one or multiple. And then you click on these three dots up here and then go ahead and click on Download Photos. And when I do that, it's going to go ahead and download them. Now keep in mind, if you're doing this, it's going to download to basically your downloads folder in the Files app, so you can look at it, and then you're going to just save it to from here. You're going to open it up, and then you're going to have to do is go ahead and save them directly to your photos from the thing here, which will make like a copy. So you're going to save to images, and then that will be available for you in the Photos app here that I just downloaded. So those are two different ways to restore photos from your iCloud. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you in the next one.